Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix for owner crashing, lagging, or black screen issue on your PC.
Fix 1. Verify game files, Steam, Step 1. Open Steam, Library, Step 2. Right, click for Honor Property, Step 3. Go to Installed Files, verify integrity of game files, Fix 2. Update graphics driver, Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience /AMD Adrenalin, Step 2. Check for latest driver update, Step 3. Install and restart PC. Fix 3. Run game as administrator, Step 1. Go to Steam Library for Honor Game Folder, Step 2. Right-click for Honor exe Properties, Step 3. Compatibility tab, check Run as administrator, Fix 4. Disable Overlay Apps, Step 1. Disable Steam Overlay, Steam Settings in-game, Step 2. Turn off Discord/NVIDIA/Xbox Overlays, Step 3. Relaunch the game. Fix 5. Change graphics settings, Step 1. Launch game options, video, Step 2. Set graphics to medium or low, Step 3. Turn V-Sync off and apply, Fix 6. Switch to windowed/borderless mode, Step 1. Open video settings, Step 2. Change display mode to borderless or windowed, Step 3. Save and restart game.